I didn't paste it the main code, which is the script tag, which make the icons work. I think this is done. Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Pujita, junior front-end developer working remotely. Today, I want to build a website as a part of my assignment for my month-stack course. I have been working as a front-end developer for about 1 to 1.5 years. You might think I should have already know how to build a website, but listen to me before you judge me. Most of my front-end work was in the website builders itself. I do lost my touch in the coding part. That's the reason I want to build a website using HTML, JavaScript, and instead of regular CSS, I'm gonna use Tailwind CSS. So let's get coding. Today, I'm going to work on the assignment from the month-stack course on TUTEDUDE platform, which is building a laundry service application using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I started by going through the documentation to understand all the requirements. We need to build a one-page application with these sections: a navbar, hero section, achievements ribbon, booking services functionality, a quality of features section, a newsletter subscription section, and a footer. Since I mostly work with web builders, I don't normally use GitHub. But for this assignment, I wanted to integrate it properly. I first created my folder structure of the project and set up a GitHub repository and connected it to my local project. I ran into a small issue initially. I got stuck on an error. I was not able to push my code into the GitHub. I took a help of ChatGPT and it told me that I was just in the wrong branch. I was in master branch and trying to push my code into the main, so that was the issue. My approach for building this application is section by section. First, I write the HTML structure, then add the CSS styling, and finally add JavaScript functionality if it's needed. As I was running a bit late today, I focused on the navbar and the hero section first. For today, I just created the HTML structure for the navbar and the hero section of the page. I couldn't able to do much today, but tomorrow we're gonna style it and move to the next section. It's day 2 and I picked up where I left yesterday. I moved on developing the achievements ribbon, then added the CSS styling for all the 3 sections at once. So I have completed the hero section and the achievements ribbon, and I used Tailwind CSS for this project. It just took me 10 minutes to style these sections, so it was really quick and fast. And here's how it turned out. I have added all the hover effects to the navbar and the hero section's buttons and menus. As you can see, it matches the design specifications perfectly. Now I'm going to create the last 3 sections, and we're going to create the services booking section at the last because it has a lot of functionalities and also we need to include JavaScript in it. So we're going to do it at the last. I have a question for you guys. Do you develop the website and style it later, or do you style and develop simultaneously? Let me know in the comments what's your way of developing. So for the first 2 sections, I created the structure, then styled it. For the next sections, I'm going to do it simultaneously. So I'm going to try it too. I wanted to add some icons to the feature section. So from the Ion Icons website, I copy pasted the icon code, but the icons were not visible on the web page. I thought, what's wrong in my website? I even checked the closing tags and everything. Later, I got to know that I didn't paste it the main code, which is the script tag, which makes the icons work. So I'm almost done with my assignment. Only one section is left, which is booking services section, and this is the main functionality of this website. The section is about where users can add and remove the services they want to book and book an appointment with the laundromat. So that's the functionality of the section which we need to implement through JavaScript. So let's start. After coding for a while, I was able to develop the services section with all the required functionality and styling. Here's the design they provided, and here's what I have achieved. They look nearly identical. All the core features are working. Users can add services, remove them, and book appointments. I even tested the email functionality to make sure notifications actually reach the inbox, and it works perfectly. I think this is done. This took me 5 hours to finish. It's really embarrassing to say it loud. Most of the time went in developing JS functionality for booking services section. So let me show you guys what I have.
I'm too exhausted right now. I think I've been sitting on this from morning, maybe from 7 a.m. So I'm gonna sign off and take some rest. Thank you so much guys for hanging out with me today. Despite the exhaustion, I had pretty much fun coding this project. I'll share the project link in the description below. You guys can check it out. When it comes to Munstack, I'm an absolute beginner, so I'd love to hear some tips from you guys. Thank you so much for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you soon. Bye!